Hello guys, welcome to my video. This is Max from Solary. Today's video, I want to introduce our best-selling product, Hot Stapler for you. The tool is perfect for fixing broken plastic parts such as headlights, bumpers, dashboard, and so on. Instead of using glue or screw, the Hot Stapler melts the plastic surface and fuses it back together, creating a seamless repair. Let's take a look at the appearance first. These two are copper bar. Staple is inserted here, and this is a LED light, which can work in dark environments. And this is the power switch to turn on the machine. The entire machine only has 164 grams, which is lightweight and easy to handle. As we can see, the shell is made of high temperature resistant fiberglass material, which can effectively extend the service life of the machine. What's more, it has a super large heating power of 17 watts, and the fusion time is less than 10 seconds. In addition, this machine is equipped with 4 types of heating staple, which is suitable for repairing various plastic parts. There's also a concern about safety. Our product has an overheating protection function, which can greatly improve the safety of use. The following is the usage process of the product. I will use these broken plastic parts to show you how to use this product. Firstly, select the corresponding heating staple and insert the heating staple into these two copper bars in the appropriate direction, according to the shape of the location that needs to be repaired. Then we align the heating staple with the location that needs to be heated. We press the power switch. Wait for the heating staple melt into the plastic. Then we release the power switch. Wait for the plastic to cool and solidify. Now we remove the hot stapler. Finally, cut off the exposed heating staple. Now we use this heating staple to smooth the plastic surface. The above is a brief introduction to this product. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or want to get further information, please feel free to contact me.